Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and it can see. But on the screen, we have a lot of important updates for on upon the favorites. It's a massive, so it's extremely important to watch the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Paparazzi Apple and her husband J Icon, because you know they're scheduled to be sentenced. January 30th, a few days from now. But we don't need to wait for that because the results are in. As you know, they're being charged with retail organized theft. It's a RICO case on a state level. They're the first ones to be charged in that state under that law. And they had pled guilty to that charge to avoid jail time. If I'm reading this correctly, my people, put in the comment section where you think about that, because I'm not gonna lie. Honor really did think say them was going to be found guilty, which they was, But nevertheless, let's go over the plea deal agreement that these two took with the prosecution. We'll go over Paparazzi Apple first, isn't it? So Paparazzi stated that I have been told by my attorney, and I understand that my attorney discussed this case with one of the prosecuting attorneys, and that my attorney and the prosecuting attorney agreed that if I plead guilty, the prosecution will do the following. You see, I say, dismiss, a couple charges and all of these stuff. You see, I say, I don't know what stay of execution sentences mean, but that's what it says. 12 months, no additional time to be served as sentencing, restitution, reserve that sentencing, to cover all cost of theft and all of this stuff. You see, I say, restitution to specifically cover HC cases as part of the global resolution. You see, I say comprehensive assessment, all of these good stuff. You see, I say, and especially stay away from Roswell, Lululemon, and stay away from all other Lululemon locations, and remain a law-abiding citizen with no new charges, and all of these things, because you're not saying if them ever slip, them nothing will get revoked. You see, I say. And the only thing different with Jay is this day of execution, of sentence for 3 years. I don't know what that means when it can help us out in the comment section. You see, Mason. Now, as usual, you can press pause and read these documents yourself. You see, Mason. Like I said, a lot of them is identical. You feel me? So, only have to see you two of them. You see me? This one is for a Paparazzi Apple, but like I said, it's identical. You can press pause and read the thing them. But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next. I don't want to say individual that's a part of this crew. But Marky and Paparazzi Apple them is very cool. And we updated his story yesterday on our Mixup and Things channel. He has bonded out of jail for 25,000 US dollars. This man say him have 2 restraining orders against him because 2 of the victim them is cooperating with the authorities to sink Marky because him take over one pony operation business. You see, man say the man out here sell some white people data front and all of this stuff, so that's why you see the charge right there. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But as simple as it look, because a lot of people say this is light work. Look what happened to Diddy. You see, I say, yeah, so Marky is facing 10 to 20 years in prison if found guilty. And most likely he's going to take a plea deal because they have 3 years worth of investigation and people are cooperating and things. Yeah, so the options is very slim for him. Is either going to snitch on some people that don't have nothing to do with this case. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Or take it to trial. And say the other, boss, they are jail right now. But I'm just give you a quick update what go on for not to go on. You see, I say the next trending story have to deal with me. Because so we send things viral regularly on our IG channel. You see, I say, as you can see the post with Miss Chin went viral once again. And force Kizzy to respond. As you can see, the person said basically debunking, what the bitter baby moms is saying, you see. Because Miss Chin is coming up with a new scenario right now saying that, Kizzy never did a breed. You see, some people, yeah. And she provided fear receipts why she's saying this because of a video Kizzy posted probably like December. You know what I mean? So she said, only run over the lady page and look, only see she and such man daughter and run in at the snow. See the date, right? Pan a girl page, December 14th. Right, same clothes, same everything. You see what I say? And no, I'm not never ring and all of this stuff. Right? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting out the comment section if you believe what Miss Chin is saying. Because you know, say, Kizzy is known for doing pranks. And that's why they're really taking it to why, you see me? So that's why you see Kizzy I post up the thing. No. I just want to say this, Keep Rich is getting a bad rep because of Kizzy, obviously. Cause keeping her really in a bag and mix up, but Kizzy like to prank people out here. And it really rubbed a lot of people the wrong way. You see what I say? So that's why, people is running with Miss Chin, questioning it because they have a lot of questions themselves. You see me? But we don't know if Kizzy are gonna answer in a song. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next seat. Now, the next trending video, Mr. Out of Jamaica have to deal with Rosalie voice notes being leaked, with she talking about Akeem. This is my people, but before we get into that, I just wanted to show another screenshot with Akeem Bridgen and Figurative Bridgen telling me about Swissley friend Tata. You see, man, I say, and him same name get brought up in the Sea World community conversation. Because Sea World, them sea creature, what them, what another, take care Hakeem, them and Snow, did them, all them things. You see, man, I say, but let us take a listen to what the voice notes say, and then we'll proceed with the next because boy, oh boy, oh boy, me send that them connect.
Root, we talk the root type muncha, that's what we are talk about. Me not talk about nothing else, but me not go down to them story there. Me not go down to them story there. Me a talk about talk about the fact say everybody, the whole platform them, wanna beat me, wanna beat them, I wanna beat Figure, I wanna not beat the snake. Wanna not beat Akeem. Cause anything where it start from the side of the root, gonna deal with the root. Cause Akeem ate Rosalie. In a advice note down to Rosalie say Akeem not go chat with Elephant Man. Oh, you find time for talk about Rosalie with the artist. You ate Rose.
Outside of the voice note spice. Who you tell me and Toto say them record Akeem and Figure It Out a class Rosalie.
So what?
Outside of the voice note where we get leak out. Who you tell me and Toto say sit down and record Akeem and Figure It Out a chat Rosalie.
Akeem Figure It Out to that class in front of them, I'm up on the phone.
Figure it out that. But look at now, the bottom line is Munchie. Roselee herself.
Nobody
Roselee
no mute
herself.
them if all una chat, she mute herself.
And that's the bottom line. The bottom line, Roselee herself and Rose sell out everybody with their own her and I look out for her. And the people them watch Caroline and cook them live every day. Them kind of know what going to,
consider themselves our minions, Me not follow none of them. You never see me in them box. I'm in the chattings with none of them. Rosalie know how me feel about everything. Come in a wall back, nothing from her. Nothing at all.
Yeah, but me come up with a set today is that they are willing to tear down everybody. Them willing to drag everybody, but them not drag the snake.
Spice, every time I say you go start your life, Spice, I let out the cat out of the back for crying me out.
And the situation is explained. They understand what is taking place. Why you want the situation go to someplace else where you know it will never go. And then the media is getting deceived. People are forced to pick sides. The people that we are forced to pick sides, they themselves know what is going on, but at the same time, them still a pick side. So that's why them cause complication and mystery.
So sometimes Rosalie come up on herself and come up in a doubt and stuff about certain things, and the boy sit down and convince so it go.
Okay, so the Rosalie problem that, and a Rosalie problem.
Yeah, but me I tell you.
Everybody know. I keep me say I think some things from my mind will literally bother me. I don't want it be a case where I store them up, I buckle them up, and store them up. It be a time where I'm outburst by you, especially on the net, and make it look away. You understand what I say? Alright. Nobody want to watch your Christmas. Come on now, Akeem. Maybe I want to watch your Christmas. You literally tell Jay, say, oh, me by watching a beg your fuck. Akeem, come here. Me, you and Jay are your friend, them, and everybody know a piece. Can be your fuck. It's all a fat job about where Dama do want to lick down what day, yeah? Remember Jay and Dama go catch her over there with her foot dirty in your bed. So if you can have dirty foot girl in your bed and fuck, what wrong with me? You understand? Put away that. And a fuck scabby. Put away that. You literally take me for some look on numbskull. And I say your friend do him do what they yeah. But I literally a chat around your friend them. Because if you don't rate me in a some type of way, where your friend do what they yeah, he wouldn't do that. From down a Negril, you chat me. Because you're going to elephant man room and chat me. A elephant man tell me back every blood clot thing where you say, I'm just hold my palm, my cool, I'm hold my composure. You understand? But me get to understand say, when I go up on the net, the poetry one different story. From down a Negril, you chat me. Because you're going to elephant man room and chat me. A elephant man tell me back every blood clot thing where you say, I'm just hold my palm, my cool, I'm hold my composure. You understand? But me get to understand say, when I go up on the net, your poetry one different story. You know, rate my brother, I you know real.
But you don't want to come on the internet, come attack one different side of people. Oh, if she send you the recording, the recording the reach a road. You're not rate her, you sit down and you watch her, you sit down and watch the people them tear down Jay, who you say is your brother, and you sit down and watch them tear me down enough in months.
Put in the comment section where you think about that. As I said, the people them know Akeem don't have him man and don't have him woman and just using Rosalie for funds. So it's nothing new. It's a mercy. I'm not giving a quick update channel the day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe with the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Because we're going to be dropping a lot more. So stick around, you see me?